Belgium has officially entered a new chapter in military aviation with the arrival of its first MQ-9B SkyGuardian at Florennes Air Base. This milestone, years in the making, represents a significant leap in the country's intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities, marking the Air Force's transition into an era of cutting-edge autonomous systems. The official public unveiling of the aircraft, along with its state-of-the-art infrastructure, is scheduled for September 23, 2025, and will be closely watched by both domestic and international defense observers. The MQ-9B SkyGuardian, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, is a highly advanced iteration of the well-known MQ-9 Reaper drone. Unlike its predecessors, the SkyGuardian is certified for operations within international civil aviation corridors, allowing it to safely share airspace with commercial aircraft. Its design combines long endurance, high altitude capability, and extended range, making it a versatile asset for strategic missions. The aircraft features a wingspan of nearly 24 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 5,670 kilograms. Powered by a 900 horsepower Honeywell TP331-10 turboprop engine, the SkyGuardian can remain airborne for over 40 hours, reach altitudes up to 40,000 feet, and cover distances of up to 11,000 kilometers without refueling. These characteristics provide Belgium with the capacity to undertake long-range operations that were previously beyond its reach. Although the primary mission of the SkyGuardian is ISR, its potential extends into armed operations. The drone can be outfitted with 9 hardpoints capable of carrying precision-guided munitions, including brimstone air-to-ground missiles or pave-way-for bombs. Its sensor suite is equally advanced, featuring the Lynx 2 synthetic aperture radar, the /DS, 1 MTSB electro-optical infrared system, and optional maritime surveillance radars with an automatic identification system for monitoring sea traffic. Additional modules can be integrated, ranging from electronic warfare systems and signals intelligence packages to anti-submarine warfare kits equipped with sonobuoy dispensers. Crucially, the system is fully compatible with NATO's Link 16 network, ensuring interoperability with allied forces during multinational operations. The SkyGuardian program reflects Belgium's strategic approach to blending technology with domestic industrial involvement. Several Belgian companies have contributed to manufacturing components, such as sensor protection housings and performing specialized maintenance tasks. This collaboration not only strengthens Belgium's defense industrial base, but also ensures the country benefits from strategic partnerships with international allies, notably the United Kingdom, which has extensive experience in operating the MQ-9B platform. Human capital has been a critical component of the SkyGuardian program. 6 remote pilots, 6 sensor operators, and 6 mission intelligence coordinators underwent rigorous training in the United States. The curriculum covered emergency procedures, ground control station operations, and system limitations, culminating in extended flight sessions lasting up to 9 hours over California. The training ensures that Belgian personnel are fully prepared to operate the SkyGuardian at the highest level of proficiency. A second phase of tactical training is planned in the United Kingdom, focusing on operational missions and integration with allied forces. At Florennes, the reactivation of the 2nd Squadron Comet has been specifically designed to operate these new systems, offering opportunities for personnel seeking to work with advanced military aviation technologies. The logistical and technical journey of the SkyGuardian to Belgium was equally significant. On July 22, 2025, U.S. authorities validated the system's acceptance test procedure, confirming that the drone, its ground control stations, and communications infrastructure met Belgian operational requirements. Following this certification, the aircraft was carefully disassembled and transported to Belgium via a 400M transport aircraft. Upon arrival at Florennes Air Base in early August, the drone was meticulously reassembled, marking the final stage of preparation for its operational debut. Strategically, the SkyGuardian represents more than a high-tech ISR tool. For the first time in its history, Belgium has authorized the arming of these drones under strict political and operational guidelines. While intelligence and reconnaissance missions remain the primary focus, the drones can now conduct precision strikes, if required, significantly expanding the nation's operational flexibility. This capability aligns with Belgium's broader commitment to NATO and its participation in international coalitions, including efforts supporting Ukraine with advanced drone systems. The appointment of Lieutenant General Michel van Strytham to lead the Drones and Innovation Task Force highlights the growing strategic importance of unmanned and autonomous platforms within Belgian defense planning. The MQ-9B SkyGuardian enhances Belgium's capacity to address a wide spectrum of security challenges. Its long-range surveillance, high-endurance flight profile, and modular sensor and armament packages provide the flexibility to respond to both national and international threats. The platform's interoperability with NATO forces ensures that Belgium can integrate seamlessly into joint operations, contributing to collective defense and rapid deployment missions. Beyond operational utility, the program reflects a broader trend within the Belgian armed forces, a shift toward innovation, automation, and the adoption of next-generation military technology. Industrial and technological integration has been central to the SkyGuardian project. Belgian companies have not only contributed to physical components, but also engaged in system maintenance and operational support, creating a domestic knowledge base around drone operations. These efforts are complemented by international partnerships, which provide access to expertise, advanced training, and best practices for nations with more extensive drone experience. Such collaboration ensures that Belgium's SkyGuardian program is both technologically sophisticated and operationally sustainable. The SkyGuardian's introduction is poised to redefine how Belgium conducts aerial surveillance and precision operations. Its combination of endurance, altitude capability, armament flexibility, and advanced sensor packages equips the Belgian Air Force with a versatile tool capable of operating across diverse theaters. The official unveiling in September 2025 will not only celebrate the delivery of the aircraft, but also mark the start of a broader transformation in Belgian defense, highlighting the integration of autonomous systems, advanced ISR, and precision strike capabilities in national and allied operations. Ultimately, the arrival of the MQ-9B SkyGuardian underscores Belgium's commitment to modernizing its military capabilities in line with contemporary security challenges. By leveraging technological innovation, international cooperation, and domestic industry involvement, the country is positioning itself as a capable and forward-thinking contributor to NATO and international defense initiatives. As the SkyGuardian enters operational service, it symbolizes both a technological milestone and a strategic evolution, reshaping Belgium's approach to aerial surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision engagement. In conclusion, the MQ-9B SkyGuardian is more than a new addition to the Belgian Air Force. It represents a paradigm shift. With long-range ISR capabilities, the option to carry precision-guided weapons, and seamless interoperability with NATO forces, the platform is a testament to the nation's commitment to innovation and strategic relevance. As Belgium continues to expand its drone capabilities and integrate autonomous systems into its defense framework, the SkyGuardian stands at the forefront of a new era, ready to address emerging security threats and enhance the country's operational effectiveness both at home and abroad.